This 5-minute solution will show you how to change Windows 10 font. Changing your Windows 10 computer default font is super easy process. Just follow me to do it. On your desktop, click on the search icon and here type font and click on font settings. And here you will get all available fonts on your computer. You can scroll down and search for a font that you want to use or that you want to set for your computer. In my case, let's click on this. Let's click on Barlow, and in this box type a text to see the font preview. Here we can see font previews. Now all you have to need to set this font, note the font name, and then right click on your desktop and click on new and click on text document. Open the note. You will get this text in this video description below. All you have to need, just copy this text from here and open your notepad again and paste those text here, and here you will get new font name. You have to replace this name with the font name that you want to use. In my case, I want to use this Barlow font, so I'm typing here Barlow and then click on file, click on save as, select a directory to save the file and save as type, select all files. File name, you can write here the font name, and after the name make sure to add .reg and click on save. Once done, you can close this notepad and go to your file manager and go to the directory or folder where you just saved the font. Now all you have to need to change your computer font, you have to open this file by double clicking on it. So double click on this font file, and once done you have to restart your computer, and after that your computer font will be changed. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.